Hi everyone, John Carr's coming to you from John's Synthetic Lubes here in Hudson, Iowa. Just want to talk to you tonight a little bit about our Z-ROD 10W30 and 20W50. AMSOIL formulates these Z-ROD engine oils for your classic muscle cars and your performance street cars. The Z-ROD stands for the zinc. These oils are high in zinc, high in phosphorus, which are going to protect your flat tappet cams and your roller cams for your engines. These oils are designed for classic cars and street cars that are only driven seasonal. You may drive them on a nice weekend and they may sit for 3 or 4 weeks. So while they're sitting, that motor is collecting moisture. The Z-ROD oils are formulated with corrosion inhibitors just like our power sports and marine oils. They're going to protect the internal components of that engine against rust and corrosion. So stop by, give us a call to get your Z-ROD to protect your classic muscle car or street rod today. Also, to complement the Z-ROD oils, we have our AMSOIL Dominator Octane Boost. The Dominator Octane Boost is formulated to raise your octane number 4 full points, not tenths of points like a lot of the competitors. A lot of the competitors are in tenths of a point. This raises a whole number. So really read up on your octane boost, compare whether it's in RON, MON, or the AKI, the anti-knock index that's on our pumps. But get your AMSOIL Octane Boost today at John's Synthetic Lubes in Hudson. You can call Leah or I, 319-240-3546, or you can find us on the internet, johnsoils.com. Thank you.